Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your LinkedIn profile settings. Today, we're going to explore how to disable the Make Follow primary action on LinkedIn, which is a feature that changes your main button from Connect to Follow. This can be particularly useful if you prefer to manage your connections more selectively. To start, open linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your profile. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account, including how others interact with you. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click on Visibility. This section allows you to control what others can see about you and how they can interact with your profile. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Followers section. This is where you can manage the Make Follow primary setting. When this option is enabled, it changes your default button from Connect to Follow, allowing people to follow your content without sending a connection request. To disable this feature and revert back to the Connect button, simply toggle the Make Follow primary switch to No. This will ensure that your main button returns to Connect, requiring users to send a connection request if they want to see your posts and interact with you directly. Disabling this feature gives you more control over who can see your content and who you choose to connect with. It's a useful option if you're managing a professional network and want to keep your connections more curated. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage how others interact with your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to reduce spam requests or simply prefer a more traditional connection approach, disabling the Make Follow primary action is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your goals on LinkedIn.